So one memorable moment that made a lasting impact for one of our volunteers was one of our clients took 3 weeks to come to the food bank, and he spent 3 hours with us. He was broken, he was crying in the corner, because that afternoon, if he hadn't come to get food, he was going to go and commit suicide because he couldn't provide for his family and his children, and it had absolutely broken. So it was literally a life-changing moment for our volunteer, who actually stuck with him 3 hours, got everything out. We give him the food, he went home, he was a completely changed person. He's now one of our greatest ambassadors.
Yeah, so volunteering, making a massive impact in the community, especially the one in Pontypridd. We've got volunteers down at the YMA that support our men every week. We've got a country, England, Scotland and Wales. We've got over 2,600 people that help. They all make an impact every Monday by helping the guys that walk through the door. We've got over 5,800 guys that come through that door. So those volunteers helping out, we wouldn't be able to run, and we wouldn't succeed without the volunteers. So it makes a massive impact on what we do at Anders Mine Club.
Sure, I think looking back a few years ago when I was volunteering with Macmillan Cancer Support, we organised a Llantryston walk where thousands and thousands of people turned up from the community and joined the walk, and we raised about £3,500 that day.
We have just completed a warming space for the last 2 years in the community, and it's exceeded all expectations. It's been an added bonus. We've met so many people, and we'd like to continue for many years to come.
The most memorable event we held in our little group was when we all made a calendar, topless calendar, and we went round all the shops selling it, and people were so amazing, and they wanted to buy it and everything and help fund our little event.
I think there's two barriers which, when it comes to volunteering, can hamper. One of them is knowledge. People are unaware that charities need volunteers. They don't know how to get a hold of the information. So it's about trying to guide them. I mean, we're very fortunate at Food Bank. People are always looking, and they're always contacting us to volunteer. But I don't really know of anywhere else where you can do it. And time. Time is a big one. So time and knowledge, I would say, are two of the biggest ones for us at the Food Bank.
I think time. Not everybody has. I'm as far as barriers are concerned. For me, it's not a problem of time because I'm retired and I'm okay as far as being financially sound is concerned. But a lot of people don't volunteer because it actually costs money sometimes to volunteer, and that is one of the problems that some of our volunteers have. They will not put forward any claims for expenses, even though maybe they're entitled to them. So money can be a barrier, but I think mainly it's time.
I would say the biggest barrier to volunteering would be life in general. Just life can get in the way from your job, wanting to get your job, your family time, your time with your partner, your own personal time. Just getting that volunteering might be difficult. I know the guys revel in it when they do volunteer, but with what goes on in life, sometimes it can be difficult to volunteer. But that's why we appreciate all of our volunteers at Anders Mine Club.
I think probably the biggest barrier is getting people to give up the time, and also to be able to input to that, because it's very difficult. We give up a massive amount of time in our group, and for social things and events, and also you need to have funding from everywhere to keep your project or what are you doing in the community.